Hey guys, this is David with Everly Stock. I'm coming at you with another Gear Pro video. Today I'm answering an email that came in from Seth asking about the Mission Emod setup when utilizing the Mission Assault Pack, Mission Medic Pack, wings, load panel, and the Mission lid in conjunction with an additional item in the load panel itself. Seth's question specifically was regarding a food canister that was bear proof. And to simulate that, I utilized one of our Cirrus ultralight dry bags that measures 16 inches by 10.5 inches. So to load this in that configuration, what you're going to want to do is attach the Mission Medical Pack to the Emod frame utilizing the zippers. And then you're going to attach the Mission Assault Pack over the top utilizing the included compression straps on the side of the Mission Assault Pack. Next, go ahead and close up your bat wings. And then finally, your load panel and your lid will go down over the top of it. To check out the Mission Assault Pack and all the other Mission Emod accessories, check us out on everlystock.com.